Hi, I'm Clarice. Welcome to the Flooring Corner here at Georgia Carpet. In today's video, we'll discuss general information about Dreamweaver Residential Carpet. Dreamweaver is Engineered Floors' residential carpet brand, known for their patented PureColor fiber and PureBac backing, as well as their newest collection, DW Select. PureColor is Dreamweaver's proprietary solution-dyed fiber, which is superior to traditional piece dye fiber. Imagine the difference between a carrot and a radish. The color on traditional carpet fibers sits on top like the red skin of a radish. With PureColor, the color penetrates the fiber like the orange of a carrot. It doesn't fade from prolonged exposure to harsh sunlight. It won't bleach from spot cleaning from household cleaners. It won't wear even in high traffic areas as it has built-in soil resistance. It resists staining from things like red wine, chocolate, and pet stains. Dreamweaver Carpet is also tufted on top of PureBac backing, which is their patented backing pad that is applied to select styles. It is a lightweight, extremely flexible backing that makes installation much easier. It does not contain latex or glue, which means no odor. Pet accidents do not break down PureBac, as it carries a 10-year wet delamination warranty for your protection. PureBac also features UltraFresh, an environmentally friendly carpet treatment that protects carpets from odor-causing bacteria and the growth of mold, mildew, and fungus. In early 2020, Dreamweaver introduced their DW Select collection, a high-quality carpet line that can also be made into area rugs in 4 available sizes: 5x7, a 6x9, an 8x10, and a 9x12. All DW Select collection styles come with their TwistX yarn technology. TwistX uses 3-ply yarn instead of the traditional 2-ply. The 3rd ply secures the twist, making it more dense, while providing enhanced performance with enriched style and design. Dreamweaver's pet-friendly residential carpets come with extended warranties for staining, fading, soil abrasion, pet stains, defects, or loss of texture retention. However, type of warranty varies from style to style. For more information on warranty and maintenance details, please check Dreamweaver Residential Carpet Warranty and Maintenance page on their website. For more information about Dreamweaver, visit us online at georgiacarpet.com or give us a call at 800-535-8789. Also, follow us on social media at Georgia Carpet on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.